Sob drop.
Okay, so hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been posting for a while. I've been very busy, so I'm back now. Hopefully this time I'm able to post more. I'm trying to find some more videos to like make so that my channel isn't so boring and it's about hair all the time. Today's my birthday, so happy birthday to me. I'm gonna be showing y'all me getting ready for my birthday party, hair, nails, outfit, lashes. That's about it. Okay, so right now I'm just cleaning my lace like I said before. I washed this hair already. I don't feel like I'm being extra lazy right now. So extra lazy, but you know what I mean. So, oh yeah, by the way, y'all not gonna really see, y'all gonna see, I'm gonna put a clip in there, but I got my nails done already. So, yeah, they're just pink nails. These are not what I wanted. I'm gonna insert the clip, the picture of what I wanted. That too. But they didn't have the color for my feet, which didn't make any sense, because if you wanted to put acrylic on my toes, you could have did so, but they said that they didn't have it for my feet. So I just chose this gel color. It's like pink sparkles, and it's on my toes as well, but it's like it don't even match my toes. So it's like it's not getting it. But yeah, I went to the nail salon yesterday, which was April 14th, with my boyfriend. He got his feet done, I got mine done. So we went or whatever, and let me tell y'all, the girls that did our feet did not get a tip because they rushed the job. Like, I didn't even get a proper massage. I told the lady, because she kept asking me if I wanted to get a callus remover. I said no. Just scrub it. Scrub my foot good. She started scrubbing my feet with the thing. She did it like literally like 3 times. Put it back and was like, you don't want a callus remover? Are you sure? I'm like, no ma'am, just scrub my foot. She didn't even scrub it. She did not do what I wanted her to do. I was so mad. She did not get a tip. And then for my boyfriend, the girl was being mad rough, he said. I was just like, nah. Them bitches not getting no tip. The only lady that got a tip was the one that did my nails, because she did a good job. So I went to the store and I bought these clips because I need some more, and I bought these for my curls. So I'm about to plug in my curling iron. I'm about to plug it back up, and we're about to start curling. I'm like in the middle. Oh, sorry, my phone. Somebody called me on my phone, so yeah. like I said before, hopefully my curls come out the way I want them to. Like, you feel what I'm saying? Because if they don't, I'm gonna be really mad. Because I'm not doing this shit over. I'm gonna have to think of a plan B. I'm gonna clean up my room, clean the bathroom, and then I don't even know what time it is, but whatever time it is, if it's close to me, supposed to be getting ready, I'm gonna get ready. So I'm gonna finish this off with a little bit more hairspray. I like this hairspray because it's like, it's not harsh on the hair. Unless you go crazy, then yeah. But let's finish it off with a little bit more hairspray. I'm gonna take this, lay down the roots. And I'm kind of contemplating on if I want to do baby hairs or if I want to do the regular closure, you know what I mean?
3 days later.
Okay, so I really didn't record that much because I'm trying to let my phone charge, because every time I go out, my phone is never charged. But my room is clean, the floor is clean, everything's clean except that the radiator's clean. I didn't show y'all when I went shopping for jewelry. I went to H&M and I bought this. So I don't really wear jewelry like that, but it's a little diamond snake thingy pendant. And then I don't know. Oh, here they go. They're in my face. Then I just bought a thing of earrings, and the earrings that I'm gonna wear are the snakes right here. I got my outfit set out. I got the perfume that I'm gonna be wearing with the lotion. It is Fresh Cut Lilacs. Bath and Body Works, because I went there yesterday. I love Bath and Body Works. We're gonna be using the Deep Cleansing Body Scrub. I got this from 5 and Below, and it's green tea. 5 and Below. And of course, you need the Suave deodorant, baby powder. We're gonna be doing our eyebrows. Okay, so I'm back. My hair, I think all the pins are out. My stupid ass should have took the pins out while the wig was on the mannequin. Why didn't I think of that? Closure. Closure is laid. You feel what I'm saying? It's laid, baby. Okay, so got everything on except my edges. Okay, we're about to do our edges on camera.
Don't give me one of my knees.
Well, nah,
She gonna catch you by her.